Let's continue our journey with the format painter and header and footers. So in here, you just format it. So you click and you can see more options like from inches from the top. So you can manage the margins, and you have also footer inches from the bottom. And we have also layout, different first page and different odd and even page. So these options are formatting headers and footers. We have also page numbers, formatting page numbers, which is the same thing, and we already learned it. We have page orientation, which is very important. So you can turn the whole document or selected content into landscape or portrait. Now this one is very new thing you may not already knew, okay? So that's about it. And we have also table, okay, formatting tables. So let's bring it tables and to see what happens. I'm going to click and format. So we have tables. So right now you know what they are doing, okay? Because we already learned and worked hard on that. And we already know about table properties, okay? We have image, okay? Let me insert an image and then we can talk about it. I'm going to click again. I'm going to go to the picture and bring my lovely picture and then format. In image, you can see crop image or replace image, or you have image options as well. And finally, we have clear formatting. This one clears everything from the document and we don't have anything. So this clear formatting. And finally, we have border lines and dash that we already learned about it. We already learned about these things, okay? So they are not new. Okay, so that's about the format painter. I hope you enjoyed every options and use most out of them. Okay, use all of them.